Nevin, what's that in your back pocket?
I don't know.
What's that in your back pocket?
I don't know.
Let's see.
I don't know.
You're not going to show me? What is it?
It's
You have your own phone?
Yep.
Does it work?
No. It doesn't.
It doesn't work?
Nope. It doesn't. You have to charge it. It doesn't make noise.
Which carrier are you with? You're in a contract?
Yeah.
You are? How long's your contract?
It costs 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16.
You got the number 10 on your phone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Show me where number 10 is.
10.
That's a 1.
1, 2, 3,
Wow.
0,
You got it all figured out, don't you?
8, 9, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I know it.
So are you going to finish cleaning up? Because it doesn't look like you're doing a good job.
I am gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up.
Ava, what are you doing?
I'm just yelling. I'm
Are you
gonna
cleaning
clean up.
You know, I think your mother's going to be disappointed in the way you guys are cleaning. You know that?
My phone has to be in my pocket.
Okay, can you just carry on cleaning up now, please?
Okay.
Okay, put your phone away.
Okay.
Okay, put your phone away. It's all good.
Okay. Put it away in my pocket. Putting it away in the pocket. I got my phone. I got my phone.
Well, you got new shoes? Let's see the shoes.
I got my phone.
Are you going to
Got
show?
my phone. Got my phone. Can I see that picture? Can I my phone?
You know, you two are probably going to be in trouble when your mother gets home.
Can I see?
You know what?
Scar?
I think I'm going to be in trouble when your mother gets home.
Yeah, you are.
Because the house is not tidy. You're not bathed. You're not in bed. Can you help me out, please?
Yeah.
Please, help me out.
Sure.
Help Daddy out, okay?
Okay.
Can you finish cleaning? Okay.
Are you gonna help us?
I'll help you.
And we're gonna get ice cream?
No, you're not.
No, ice cream.
Well, you had a chance.
Yeah, ice cream. No.
Well, I need you to clean. I don't see anyone cleaning. You guys made... You turned your room upside down. You gotta finish up.
Why the people